There are times when you switch your computer on, and it takes forever to boot. Press the power button and it goes several minutes before you can actually use your PC. When Windows takes forever to boot, we dread turning on or rebooting our computer. But don't worry, there are ways to fix slow boot up. Here we come with 5 effective ways to fix slow startup and shutdown issues. First and the quickest way to solve the problem is by cleaning your disk. For the task, we suggest using Windows Disk Cleanup tool that allows you to remove all the unwanted files that are consuming huge disk space. Your BIOS is set up to make things convenient during first use, and you can disable several settings later. Hold the delete key during startup, and enable quick boot option to move your hard disk to the top of the boot priority list. Every time you start your system, certain software and apps initiate themselves by default. So, disable all such elements to improve PC speed. To disable, go to the Start menu, search for Task Manager, and choose Startup from the dialog box. Choose items you no longer wish to run at startup, and click Disable. Windows brings a number of useless features, and CPU resource hogging services enabled by default. To turn them off, go to the Start menu, type nsconfig and hit Enter. In the new window, locate Services tab, and beneath it choose those programs you want to disable. Windows 7 boot menu usually appears on the screen for 30 seconds, before it launches the default operating system. Thankfully, Microsoft allows you to reduce the amount of time. By following these simple measures, you can easily boot your Windows faster than ever before. Keep following us for more troubleshooting videos, tips, tricks, latest tech and gadget news and much more.